Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are looking at our crypto investments. It's been about 4 weeks since the last time we were in there, so we're going to be looking at how much they have earned and what has changed with our accounts. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so basically what we're going to be looking today is Compound Finance and Tokensets. So they are our current two investments that we've had running for a while. So the reason why I'm bringing you these two programs now is basically because of the massive response that I had to Atomic Wallet and the possibility of earning a passive income from staking. Basically, Compound Finance is very much the same, except in the sense of you putting your money into like an exchange or something and then staking that crypto. Basically what Compound Finance is a lending program. So what you do is you then deposit your crypto into Compound Finance. That is then lent out to other people to use and you receive a commission for that. So basically it is literally just get it running and then leave it. Just pop in once in a while, make sure that obviously everything is cool, and that is it. So let's go and check it out. And for those of you that are not familiar with what Compound Finance is when it comes to the sort of the real details and also getting it set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video which is going to give you a better overview of the whole process. Also talk you through setting up a MetaMask wallet and then get the whole thing up and running. So Compound Finance does cater to quite a few tokens and coins which you can deposit into here. You can deposit any of them into here and put them into their lending program. So they currently use DAI, Tether, Basic Attention Token, which is the token that is connected with Brave Browser, Ethereum, USD Coin, Wrap BTC and 0x Coin. So I've basically picked DAI and Tether. The main reason for that is that they apart from Basic Attention Token, those two coins have the highest interest rate or percentage that you're going to earn from them. Also as well, both DAI and Tether are what is known as stable coins, so they are actually backed by the US dollar, so which means that they do hold their price pretty well. Okay, so like I said, the last time we were in here, which was about 4 weeks ago, so in that video, our Tether, we had 2,440,000. We now are at 4,710,000. So that's not a bad little jump. Basically, pretty much doubled what we had. And DAI, we were at 23,830,000. We are now at 27,220,000. So again, not a bad little jump, 4 million on that. So at the end of the day, like I say, for a small little investment, you know, that basically, like I say, once it's up and running, you don't do anything with it's you know, it's not a bad return. Also as well, you will notice compared to the last video that unfortunately that the interest rates have gone down. I think on DAI they were at about 6 and on Tether they're around about 4.5. So they have dropped slightly. Again, you have to realize that all these kind of markets are being affected with what is going on around the world with COVID and all these other things that are kicking off. And it is just affecting the finance markets as a whole, whether it's crypto, whether it's other stuff. They are massively being affected by that. But obviously, hopefully, once we come out of it, hopefully sometime this year, if not early next year, that those interests will start going up and stuff like that. Although I have to say that, I don't know if it's what is going on, or if it's just the things that Ethereum are doing themselves. But Ethereum has had a massive jump in price since the beginning of the pandemic. Yeah, so just having a quick look at my mobile wallet, it's saying that Ethereum is at $468 per coin. Like I say, at the beginning of this year, they were at around about low 300s, 320, something like that. So that is quite a considerable jump, and that is sort of helping, but at the same time, everything else is going against us. So the interest rate is really the thing that kind of pushes our investment forward. So obviously, the higher that is, the better. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's very simple. You don't, like I say, if you go and check out that earlier video, that will give you more details on how to get this set up. But like Atomic Wallet, it is literally just put your coins in and let it roll, and you will receive a commission on those coins. Okay, so here we are at Tokensets. And Tokensets is basically a trading platform which is sits on top of the Ethereum network. So like Compound Finance, this really has a great fallback. So even in the event of something going wrong with either Compound Finance or Tokensets, because they are been set up on the Ethereum network, smart contracts. Now, this is really great in the sense of the fact that, like I say, if something goes wrong, even if Compound Finance and Tokensets disappear, you can still access your coins via those smart contracts. So that means, should the worst happen, you can still get hold of your coins, which is obviously very reassuring. Now, Tokensets is obviously not a lending program. It is a trading platform, simply put. And the reason why it's called Tokensets is that you would come on here, use your MetaMask wallet to deposit Ethereum in here. Then what you would do is you would choose the sets that you feel are going to produce the best income for yourself. Now, there's two ways of doing this. I've done it the very easy way. Even though I have traded in the past, I haven't traded for a very long time, and I've never traded crypto. I used to trade Forex and stuff like that on the stock exchange, but I've never traded crypto. And so basically what they have is they have what are known as robo sets, which are sets that work using a mathematical algorithm. And the idea of that is you put your money in there. Say, for instance, it's BTC and Ethereum. Whichever coin happens to be producing the best or the best results, your algorithm or your robot will put your money into that coin. Then should that coin start failing or falling and the other one starts picking up, it will move your currency into your other coin. So basically, whichever coin is working the best or producing the best result, the algorithm will put your coin into those. So in a sense, it's you could sort of say it's passive income, because again, you don't really have to do anything. You just really need to keep an eye on your account. That is the main thing. Whereas with Compound Finance, you could probably leave that for 4 or 5 months and come back to it, and you just have your profit there. So the other way you can use Tokensets is you can follow what are known as social traders. Now, these guys are sort of really good traders that are probably well up the ladder in their fields. And so what they've done is they've come on here, they've picked certain sets, and then obviously what you can do is follow what they have done. So you can pick sets they're using and follow their ideas. So anyway, let's go into my account to sign in through MetaMask wallet. So the last time we were in here, we were on a profit of $23.34. You can see here we are now at $27.50. Now, basically, I've ended up in a little bit of an awkward position with my account. If we go into here, is this one here. The last video I did mention is that basically, if you click on here, this version of the token set has been basically changed. It's gone from it's just gone to version number 2. I got caught out is I didn't sort of catch this early enough, and what I need to do is I need to get my earnings into number 2. But if I just try and sell this, it will tell me that there is not enough. If I go max, and it says it's going to cost me more to change it over than basically I'm going to earn. So it's totally pointless in doing that. But they are doing what is called these rebalances. And what you do is you'll find your robo set in the rebalance. This is me, and then you go view, and then what we're waiting for is they're doing these auctions or whatever, and what allows you to sort of use your currency to purchase currency in the number 2 version, and then it will carry on from that point. And then obviously your number 1 version will be shut down, and you'll carry on. But that is just, I missed the email that this was happening. So like I say, this is something that you need to keep on top of, and this is why I'm telling you this, is that it is possible. Even though my account is sort of still earning on both, I really need to get this out of here and into yield set 2.0. But as you can see here, my other one is very bullish, so that is earning very well, and we've earned 9% just today on that. So like I say, you know, it is a really nice little platform. You do have that fallback of the smart contract, but you just got to really keep an eye on anything that might be happening in your account, just so you don't get caught out like I have. And I'm just waiting now for the next auction or rebalance, so I can try and get my currency out of that set into 2.0 like I have mentioned. Okay, so I do believe there is an earlier video on this as well, so if you want to know how to get it set up, I will put the link in that in the description for that also. And if you are interested in those earlier videos, they are probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.